Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal July day number 4. Today's prompt is labels, so let's get out some of my labels from my Dark Academia printable set. If you want to purchase those to use this ephemera and many more beautiful ephemera pieces in your junk journal or journal in general, I will leave a link in the description down below to my Etsy shop where you can purchase the printable if you want to. For now, I just picked a few of the label tags out from the Dark Academia set and decided to add them to today's page. I also want to say hello to all my fellow junk journalers who have found me the last few days through this Junk Journal July challenge. I hope you are all enjoying my little daily creative videos and you are also enjoying your own creative adventures daily for Junk Journal July if you are participating or just enjoying to watch and spend some creative time with all of us. I'm really happy that I finally took the time and energy to take part in this challenge. It is a lot of fun to see everyone do their own interpretation of the daily prompt and to see how many ideas and beautiful spreads you can make to a prompt. And everyone comes up with so many beautiful and unique creations for each day. That is absolutely amazing. And I think it's so wonderful and lovely, and I'm very happy to take part and be a part of this beautiful creative community here on YouTube. Are you taking part in Junk Journal July? Leave a comment down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And if you are an average junk journaler, what is your favorite part about junk journaling? I would absolutely love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. Hopefully see you tomorrow.